Understanding community spirit. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept often heard but not always fully understood: community spirit. This term encapsulates feelings of fellowship, shared goals, and mutual support within a group. Let's dive into what makes community spirit a cornerstone in building strong, supportive, and resilient communities. Community spirit refers to the bond that holds a community together. It's the sense of belonging and responsibility people feel toward each other. It's not just about living in the same area, it's about sharing experiences, offering support, celebrating successes, and facing challenges together. It's what turns a neighborhood into a close-knit community. Why is community spirit important? It fosters a sense of belonging and purpose. Communities with strong spirit see higher levels of participation, from local events to volunteer work. It also plays a crucial role in times of need, such as natural disasters or community projects, where the collective effort and support can make a significant difference. So, how can we nurture community spirit? It starts with small steps: attending local events, supporting local businesses, or volunteering for community projects. It's about making connections, offering a helping hand, and being present. Every small interaction adds a thread to the fabric of a tightly knit community. Community spirit is the heartbeat of every thriving community. It's about more than just geographical proximity. It's about fostering connections, sharing experiences, and supporting each other through thick and thin. I hope this video inspires you to engage in and contribute to the spirit of your own community. Remember, every single action counts in building a stronger, more connected world. Thank you for watching, and let's keep the spirit alive.